madam. I'm Casey Sattvi Sharada from 8A. I hereby present a video on benefits of Tulasi plants. Tulasi is a universal and a divine form of Goddess Lakshmi with powerful medicinal values. It is a very important herbal plant given by God to the mankind. It is called Ocimum teniflorum in botany. It is having lot of medicinal effects. It is used to make tulasi water. The essence of tulasi in boiled water with honey, pepper and sugar candy may be called tulasi kashayam. Tulasi contains lot of minerals. In this pandemic situation, we can eat tulasi or drink tulasi water every day since it increases resistant power in the body system. Tulasi is used to recover from cold, cough, etc. At the time of anxiety, it gives one graceful cure. Tulasi is used to make candies. It is also used to make hand wash for protecting us from germs. Tulasi leaves are very much used for skin problems as medicines to humans as well as to animals and other living things. It cures very many diseases in mankind. It is used as a flower garland in the worship of Lord Vishnu and it is known as Vanamala Daraha. Biological impurities should be kept away from Tulasi plant. Let us survive with the company of Tulasi besides worshipping her.
Tanishka of class 8.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, in an effort to save our environment, I have taken a small initiative and am doing terrace farming. Here are my plans for you at a glance. Goa plant. It helps to lower blood sugar levels. It boosts our health heart. It will benefit your digestive system. It may aid weight loss. Eating guavas are good for our skin. Guavas are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Next, we have curry leaves. Curry leaves can be used for weight loss. They are rich in vitamin A, B, C, and B2. Curry leaves are also good in sources of iron and calcium. It can treat calcium deficiency too. We have perennial. It is used to treat hemorrhoids, gout, asthma, and allergies. It is useful for bone health, joint pain, and protect against chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. It is called as adamant creeper, devil's backbone in English. Have you seen Nitya Kalyani? The botanical name of Nitya Kalyani is Madagascar periwinkle. It is a very common garden plant. It is used for treating certain kinds of cancers. It is also useful for treating sugar. Look at this Omavalli. Karpuravalli, called as Indian borage in English and Karpuravalli, Omavalli, etc. in other languages. It is traditionally used for cold and cough in infant, babies and adults. It is also used for aiding weight loss. Is money plant. Money plant purifies the air. It removes airborne pollutants from indoor air such as benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene. The air in the room with the money plant is known to have more oxygen and helps in easy breathing. Beautiful Sangpu. Sangpu is a vigorous, trailing, scrambling, or climbing vine with a strong woody rootstock. In Ayurveda, it is grouped under Media category. Its Latin name is Clitoria ternata Linn and its English name is butterfly pea. It is mainly used for hair loss. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is widely known to relieve sunburn and help to heal wounds. It is used for relieving from heartburn and breast cancer. It is known for treating skin injuries. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. These are roses of various colors. Rose is called the genius of plants. Rose is a type of flowering shrub. Its name comes from the Latin word rosa. There are of many colors like pink, white, red, orange, violet, etc. This is turmeric plant. Turmeric has many scientifically proven health benefits. It can prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. It is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Thank you all for giving me this wonderful opportunity to showcase my cute little garden.
Maheshwari of class 8.
Hey everyone, my name is K. Bhageswari. I am from 8th and so excited to talk about garden hygiene. It's important. One of my hobbies is gardening. Garden helps us in future. It has good things like it has provide oxygen circulation at home. It acts as thermoregulator at home, keeping the home as cooler at few degrees. Plant help us to breathe easily and fruits and vegetables get nutrition and medical plants help us to reduce it. Nowadays, oxygens are low demand because of COVID-19 period. So we want to plant one supplicants for every birthday. Because in atmosphere, 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. Oxygens are in oceans and landscape. The plant gives us 60 to 80% of oxygen. The plant has been grown in oceans. The plants are destroyed because of plastic and chemicals are mixed in ocean. So destroyed because of cutting trees and destroying forests. I show my garden which are medical plants like. This is aloe vera. It helps us to Orchina help us to secure cold. Sun help us to increase protein for humans and animals. One type of tulsi help us to cure pimples. And this is Catherine's rosette. It help us to reduce sugar. Save trees, save plants, save environment, save the nature. Nature will save us. I make a presentation for the gardening about the gardening. It makes us how to garden. You have a great day.
Thank you all for your interesting presentations.
It's time to announce the president, secretary, and treasurer of our club. So, let's begin with a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The president of Eco Club is Kirti AC of 10A and the president for the Heritage Club is Renga Prasad of class 10C.
The secretary of the Eco Club is Sivanesh of 10B and the secretary for Heritage Club is Rakshita SPS of 10C.
The treasurer for the Eco Club is Kavin of 10A and the treasurer for the Heritage Club is Sari Rupa of 10B.
A big round of applause to all of you. Now, I would like to invite Sanjana Karthik of class 10 to give the vote of thanks.
Dawn and all gathered here. It is my pleasure to propose the vote of thanks on this grand occasion. I thank our Madam Correspondent, Mrs. Usha, and our beloved principal for their support in organizing the social club. Thank you all. My thanks will be incomplete if I don't thank our teachers for their sincere and continuous support and guidance. I would also like to thank the students of Mahatma Gandhi Centenary Vidyalaya for involving themselves in this event. Through Heritage and Eco Club, we have learned a lot about environment and heritage. I'm sure this session would have offered them enough knowledge. Last but not the least, I would like to praise the Almighty for the success of the event. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjana. Now, I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभावति समाहे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you all. Thank you.
All the teachers also right up from work come and attend this function. And I was celebrating very thankful man.
Special thanks for Abhita as well as Navaku and Rashia, Jeremy, and LMA members, day members, and all the teachers will be giving a great applause.
Thank you all for your participation.
Thank you, Abhita. Abhita, all the teachers.
கண்டிப்பா